Hello YouTube. Coming to you real quick with a quick tutorial about if you want to make $10 an hour becoming an operator. I'm gonna show you right now. Before I go any further, I want to say thank you for coming to my channel, and if you like this video, like and subscribe, and you will be the first one to get notified of any videos that I do. Sorry for the greasy eyeballs, but my eyes are acting up today. My dry eye disease, but I just want to come to you real quick. It's called, this site is called, it's not a site, it's a job, it's an actual job where they open a real, they have openings real right now, and it's called Operator Review. You get paid to chat, and you help people online, like if they have any issues, and if they just need some, someone to talk to about their product. You just speak to them and make them feel comfortable and show them, just let them know where they need to go, what number they need to call, just in case they have an issue. So that's your job, and it's like I said, you work online. But the only thing is that you must have a bachelor's degree. That's the only thing. You got to have a bachelor's degree, because I guess, you're going to be dealing with all types of people. You got to know how to deal with them, and they want to know if this is is a good job, but it only pays $10 an hour. But you know what? Every little bit counts. And it's called Operator Review, and you get paid just to chat and help people out. But you have to have your you have to have a bachelor's degree in order to apply for this job. So I just want to put that out real quick, and let you know about this one. Another one I have, and I didn't want to talk about because I wanted to get a little more information, but it's really easy. It's called Amazan MTurk. That one you could go online, and they have various jobs that you can click on, and you help people that can't do the job. You help them. You click on it's called click. So you click on their job description, and they tell you what they want you to do, and you get paid. You make some, I'm gonna be real with you. You make like 4 cents. Some is $2. Some is $4. It's like various prices. So whichever one you want to pick. That one is called MTurks for Amazon. That's another way to make money through Amazon. So I'm gonna put that link on the bottom, as well as this one called Operator Review. I'm gonna put those 2 links on the bottom so you can click and just see where you can go from there. Every little bit helps, and yeah, so sign up for these and see what you can do. See what it can do for you. And if you have any other suggestions, comment on the bottom of this video. And if you have any other ways you can help people out that come to my channel, that's even better, because that means we're all helping each other out. We're not hating on anybody. We just want to help anybody out that needs work and would prefer to be working at home. Those will definitely help people, and you could just put that information on the bottom and share this video with anybody. It's called the first one is called Operator Review. You just chat, you help the people out. It's like customer service, but a little more is called Operator Review. But you must have a bachelor's degree in that one. The other one is called Amazan MTurk. You don't need any experience with that. You could just sign up, and they put you in and put you on the or automatically they put you in the line of helping people, clicking on their job description and getting paid like that. So that's going to help you out also. So yeah, if you like, subscribe, and sign up for those and see what happens. That might help you. You never know. You never know. But I'm going to put them on the bottom and hope that this helps you. Okay? So enjoy the day. With that being said, I'm gonna sign out because I got some more information about work from home videos that I'm so happy I want to do, but I want to do it, and I don't want to be just giving you all kind of information that makes no sense. I want to do my research, and that's why I want to come to you. I want to do the research, give you the information, and then you just go from there. You know, that's how I want us to connect. So yeah, subscribe, like it, subscribe, and put a comment on the bottom and let me know what you do. What if you have any jobs, put them on the bottom, and let me know how you're making it at home working, or if you're working from home, what kind of jobs that you can help people out. You know, if you have any jobs that I haven't never put on the bottom, and maybe I'll go and check them out. Okay, so like and subscribe to the channel, and when I do more videos, you'll be the first one to get notified, right? So with that being said, take care and check out the jobs, all right? Because I want you to generate some money and bring it into your home. Like, nothing wrong with a couple of dollars, all right? Take care.